Hello and welcome. So, it's been a minute since I've done a video like this, but we are back with our rebuilding series. So, we will be rebuilding the Buccaneers because we last left off with the Browns, and the Buccaneers are the next team. We are going to adjust our gameplay sliders to make it realistic. I don't mess with anything but this. And I turn the fatigue down. So basically what this right here does is, say we have a lineman. And then we have a 99 overall speed QB, right? That 0 speed lineman ain't gonna be able to catch our 90 overall speed line or quarterback. Now, if it was at 100, everybody would be equal. Everybody would be the same speed. That takes away the fun out of the game because obviously not everybody's the same speed. Now we're doing a fantasy draft like always. We're going to see what pick we get. And
it's the Bucks now on the clock.
We're going to get the 18th pick. You know, I don't feel like this is a bad pick. Usually I draft the first 10 rounds. I'm not going to draft... Okay. I say we take Tyreek Hill and just not worry about it. We're going to take Tyreek. He was considered 23rd.
The Tampa Bay Buccaneers are on the clock.
I think we got to take a quarterback now or we ain't going to get one. Kirk Cousins is here. Aaron Rodgers is here. I think we got to go Aaron Rodgers, right? I actually did not mean to draft him.
Now, it's the Tampa Bay Buccaneers.
I actually was going to change my mind, but it wouldn't let me do so. And Derrick Henry's still on the clock. You best believe we're taking Derrick Henry. And you know what I just realized?
The Tampa Bay Buccaneers are on the clock.
There's a chance that there might, because I added in the rookie. And yes, indeed. You know, I don't want Caleb Williams to be my QB. You know who I do want? I want a scrambler. And none of them are scramblers. You know what? We'll take Caleb Williams. Give the man a chance. He was ranked at 3. All right, we're gonna take a couple more picks, and then we're gonna leave it up to the CPU to make smart moves. But what we are gonna do is we're gonna see if the rookies are here. Ooh, okay. If Rashee Rice is still here next time, I'm taking Rashee Rice. But there's a very special guy that I want to take, and it's a very long shot. It's a bad pickup, honestly. But it's who I want. There's Marvin Harrison Jr., Malik Neighbors, Xavier Worthy. Xavier Worthy is the guy that I want. He's probably ranked like 1,000. 600.
The Tampa Bay Buccaneers are on the clock.
All right. If Rashee Rice is still here, we're going to take him. We've already got Tyreek Hill, so Rashee Rice be here, and I'm taking you. There's Pacheco. We don't really need Pacheco because we already got a, what's his name? Rashee Rice is here. We're taking Rashee.
On the clock now,
All right, well, if we're doing till pick 10, we got 3 picks left. I might do that. Man, I tell you what, if Dre Greenwald's still here, we'll pick him up. We're going to take Tyrann Mathieu. He was ranked 289.
The Tampa Bay Buccaneers are on the clock.
That amazes me that he's ranked so high. I don't even know who that is that they just took, but they took him. Man, he's not here. But you know what? Isaiah Pacheco is younger than Derrick Henry by like 6 years. So, when Henry retires, we have Pacheco. Now, here's how the rebuilds work. The rebuild works as if this could be a one and done year. The rebuilding process works. Once we win a Super Bowl, it's over. So it could be a 1-year process, a 2-year, a 3-year, a 5-year. I mean, there's a chance we could be here all the way up until 20 years. It just depends on how good my rebuilding is. And right now, I'm taking a lot of good receivers that have really, really good potential. I believe that was my last pick, though. Unless we consider this my last pick, since it is round 10. We do need to go defense. And there's Deron Bland, the best player available that I could get for defense. Yeah, he is normal dev, but he is a super good player.
On the clock now, it's the Tampa Bay Buccaneers.
So that is going to end my picks. Now the CPU is going to draft whoever they want. There's a chance that it could be good or it could just be terrible. I feel pretty confident with my picks that I made. I feel like we are going to have a good team. All right, who's ready to see the team? I'm not, but we're going to. Here we go. Now, I will remind you, I'm allowed to make any trades I want, any free agent signings I want, off-season or in-season, any draft picks I want, anything I want to do, I'm allowed to do. So we are going to have Aaron Rodgers starting for us. So oh my gosh. They didn't draft us a tight end. Oh my gosh. They didn't even get us a good left guard. So defense better be good. See, I would have been better off just doing it myself, but, you know, it is what it is. I think we start Williams over Aaron Rodgers. Call me crazy, but I think it might be a good idea. All right, now we're just gonna go ahead and just simulate. Yep. We're gonna go to mid-season, just see how it's going. Now, I will remind you that if we make it to the Super Bowl, I am allowed to play the game. Since it's already a tough task as it is to make the Super Bowl, I am allowed to play the Super Bowl if we make it there. Well, we're about at mid-season, so... And... Oh, we are 2-4 at this point. We're... Fudge. Yeah. I would definitely say we probably need to go make some trades. I wouldn't be too mad about trading away our draft picks because I don't think we're going to have any just incredible people in our draft. So, y'all give me some offers. Okay. So here's what I want in a trade. I want a good tight end. I want a decent tight end while also getting a halfway decent defensive player as well. Or just give me two. Oh, okay. And we get a draft pick in return. We get Tyler Higbee, but I don't think Higbee's really all that great. Ooh. Why must you pressure me? Okay, you know what? I think we've got to take TJ. We got to. We've got to. How can I not? Okay, all right. Now we do have some draft picks for the next year, so we're gonna go ahead and get rid of these. Get what we can out of these. Ooh, we can get Bobby Wagner. That wouldn't be a bad pickup. Micah Hyde, Kenny Clark. T. Higgins. T. Higgins wouldn't be a bad pickup. George Pickens, Nick Bolton. Nick Bolton wouldn't be a bad pickup either. You know, I wouldn't be mad going with this trade right here. Bringing these guys in. I'm just going to kind of get rid of all of our draft picks just because I don't think we're going to even use them. And we might get some... Yeah, we're getting some not so good offers. So now I'm going to start kind of giving up players that I don't think are necessary for this rebuild. For instance, we've only got 5 receivers. I say, do we trade Hollywood Brown? What can we get out of Hollywood Brown? Is it worth it? I say we trade him. And maybe even go ahead and trade Rodgers, because we could get some pretty good value out of Rodgers. Nah, they trying to give me Deshaun Watson. Y'all crazy. I don't want Deshaun Watson. I'll pass. Hey, Jared Goff ain't a bad pickup, though. Jordan Love wouldn't be bad. There's Dre Greenlaw. That's who we could have had. Okay, what other players can we add to this that we have extra that we don't need? Ooh. Do we go ahead and get rid of Derrick Henry and just let Pacheco do the work? Why not? Ooh. And we bring in DK. DK would not be bad. I'm going to really think about that trade. I'm going to really think about that trade there. I think right now that DK trade's the one I'm thinking of. Unless one just absolutely changes my mind. Yeah, I think this DK and Metcalf trade's definitely the one we go with. Because we bring in a cornerback. And I don't believe our cornerback room's all that great. So, we get rid of Hollywood Brown just to bring in another decent receiver. Maybe we can turn our season around. Maybe we can't. I don't know. So, wait. So we kept Tyreek Hill, though. Dude, our receiver room is not bad at all. And our team looks better. Somewhat better. We have kind of improved our defense, though. Actually, not bad either. We're going to see if we can pick up some wins. I hope by the time we come to this next screen, we're not 2-4. Oh, we wouldn't be 2-4, but I hope we have a better record. Well, we improved our record, but it unfortunately was not enough. We do not have any draft picks, so we're going to rely on free agency pretty heavily. All right, and the 49ers beat the Chiefs in the playoffs. That's interesting. They have Lamar Jackson, of course. And nobody on our team got any awards. That's all right. That's all right. Okay, well, looks like we're going to have to rely on free agency. Crazy how in all of Mahomes is, crazy how Mahomes has been the you know, I don't even remember what I was going to say now. Is that bad? Is that bad that I literally forget stuff that easy? So, Rashad Gary is very interested in this team. So we're going to offer him a pretty good sized contract. We're going to give him a very player friendly. We're going to go ahead and offer Patrick Queen an offer. Give him the royal treatment. Y'all see what I did there? Sorry, I had to do it. I had to. Here's Rashee Rice. Why is he here? Bring Rashee Rice back home. Bring him back. And then we're going to go after Montez Sweat and we'll go after him, and I think we'll go after Deion. No. Do we go after? Yeah, we go after Deontay Johnson. We'll go after him and Montez Sweat. Hopefully these guys sign. Only time will tell. Well, we used up our thing. I don't know who we have as a kicker right now. We don't have one. We need one. We probably don't have a punter then. We'll go after Tommy Townsend. Well, dadgum, we only bring in 2 out of the people we went after. Rasheed went to Texas. Dang. Well, that's not aggravating by any means. Okay. Well, sucks that we only got 2 of the people we really went after. There's not even really much I can do to begin with. I mean, there was not much rebuild I can do there. Especially when the free agent pool is not very good. It's normally not ever really good in the first year, though. Well, I don't really think I've got a trade to make. I'm going to see how... Not what I meant to go for. We're going to see how... We're going to see how our player... I think we move away from Caleb Williams. The only thing is, though, is we have to get a quarterback in return. Have to. And I'm not going for no Malik Cunningham. I'm sorry, but there's a Jaden Daniels, but we ain't putting ourselves in any better of a boat by doing that. Yeah. Okay, we're just going to stick it out with him. We can trade away our future first-round picks, though, and be very not good with our picks. Hey, we could bring in Montez Sweat anyways. End up trading for him. Might be able to bring in Rasheed. Maybe. It's possible. And we could. I think I go after Montez Sweat. No, actually, you know what? Why would I do that when I could go with something like this right here and get a 6th-round pick? And who knows, you could get an absolute stud out of a 6th-round pick. You know what I'm saying? All right, now we're going to go to midseason, see how that's going, and hope it's going good. Well, we're 5-2. So as long as we keep it somewhere around here, we should at least make the playoffs. So we're about to see. And we end up going 12-5. So we are going to make the wild card, and we're going against the Bears. Remember, if we make the Super Bowl, I can play it. Oh. It's going to be a tough game, but I believe in my team. And they get it done. Come on. One game stands between you and the Super Bowl. Get it done, and they get it done. We are going to the Super Bowl in our second year, and I have a chance to get the job done. And you know what? I am going to mess with these settings real quick. And I'm going to tell you why. I don't know why I just sounded like that. We're going to put it to competitive. And you know what? Since we're going to the Super Bowl with the chance to win it, I will put it all the way up to 15-minute quarters. I will play a whole 15 minutes. But if I'm doing that, while the game's loading up, I'm getting water. Because I'm going to need it. Well, here we go. I'll be back. I'm going to go get some water as soon as I start to load this game up. I'll be right back.
Today on EA Sports, Super Bowl 59.
Well, I'm back, boys and girls. Here we go. Can we win the Super Bowl? And it's playing at AT&T Stadium.
Charles and I have been looking.
Isn't this the Cowboy Stadium? Pretty sure. All right, we're catching the ball.
Sunday of action. Khalil Herbert to return it from his end zone.
Oh, dang it. I almost broke that off. I would have got at least another 20 yards if I broke that off. All right, we're going to go curl combo. Hut.
On first down, Williams eluding the pressure right.
Oh, he catches it.
Caught by Tyreek Hill.
It's at 11 yards.
And he's taken down.
Good job,
but
Ty.
able to slip
Ty,
across the 35.
Ty, baby.
Line of
How we gonna go
scrimmage,
Hawkinson if he's
37 on
open?
First and 10. Looking to throw. Williams. He'll get it once more into the hands of Hill.
Oh,
And he has a big gain inside the 40.
that's
before
T.
being
That's
dropped.
Tyreek Hill, ain't it?
Back-to-back receptions for him, and it's another first down. Back to throw. Williams being chased out left.
Oh,
Catch is made by Metcalf.
Metcalf brings it in for the touchdown.
Touchdown.
Let's go.
DK Metcalf with a first touchdown of the Super Bowl and a long one at that. And the Buccaneers need just 3 plays to go down and take the early lead.
Oh, he almost
Madison's
didn't
point
put that
after
in.
is good, and it's now a 7-0 game. Scoring summary, 3-play drive, and it's DK Metcalf who finishes things off with a touchdown reception. The Bucs ready for the kickoff, and here we go. It's in the air.
Dang!
And he's up past the 20 to the 22-yard line.
Good hit on him, though.
So here now the Bills offense on the field.
They got Trevor Lawrence.
First crack at it.
Hey, we know what Trevor Lawrence did in the playoffs last year.
Pick in the 2021 draft, Trevor Lawrence.
And no doubt he's living out a dream right now. He's dating back to his first days of playing football.
Got him.
As a kid.
Good hit.
But he certainly can't get lost.
Good hit. Good hit.
Right now. There's still a Super Bowl to be played, and his offense, they're looking to him to be their leader. You can take it all away when it's over. Right now, you've got the biggest game of your life to win.
Got him.
A little short pass. This is Everett.
Good,
So
good tackle. Good tackle.
there on the pitch and catch, and that'll make it second down. Here's Lawrence. A little short pass. This is
That ain't a first down. That ain't a first down. Hey, we can force the punt.
And that'll bring up what looks to be a 3rd and inches. Can't be more than a half a foot.
I'm gonna go run up the middle. It's the only logical thing I think it could be. Yes! We catch the QB! It's gonna make a 4th and inches. Do they go? They're not gonna go for it.
Clearly, something was off in the execution of that play.
I feel like they could have went for that though and got it.
Left to clean that up and start clicking on those key 3rd down throws.
Looking up into the roof, and he muffs it. It's loose. But fortunately, he's able to recover his
Go.
own fumble, or that could have been trouble.
Go! No! All I had was one dude to beat, and I could have broke that for a touchdown.
I know there's no
Ah!
magnet in the ball, but sometimes for the punt returner, after such a scramble, it sort of feels that way, doesn't it? He has it, he loses it, somehow the ball finds its way back to him.
Atone for his sin, and you know he's taking a deep sigh of relief right now.
Good run.
And he'll be out of bounds, but able to get it up past the 45. Now Williams on first down.
Oh, nobody's on this side.
And they'll wind up getting
What a
this
run.
all the way down inside the 20.
What a run.
There on the scramble,
Nobody
gets
was
the
over
first
there.
down. Operating from the gun, Williams dancing to his left. The escapability in evidence there is that one good for 15 and a first. Now they'll switch it up here and look to throw. Escaping the
Touchdown.
pressure right. And he's got it. Caught in the end zone. Touchdown, Tampa Bay.
Who is that? Is that Xavier Worthy?
Touchdown grab. And the Bucs will add to their first.
It is!
lead
Xavier
in the
Worthy
Super
gets a
Bowl.
Super Bowl touchdown.
Well, this has been a flawless start for them. They score, they get the stop, and they score again, Charles.
Complimentary football at its finest. You just mentioned how they got it done. They scored. The defense got the ball back for them. They score again. That's the way you win ball games.
The Bucs ready for the kickoff. And here we go. It's in the air.
Boom!
And a good effort on the return there. Gets him across the 30, up to the 33.
Wasn't a very good effort on my end. Not good.
The Bills
We are gonna
come to the
pinch.
line to start their next drive. They trail early on in this Super Bowl as they come up 1st and 10.
Yeah!
Lawrence, and he'll go down.
Rashawn Gary with the
Rashawn
sack.
Gary leading the surge there as he drops him for a loss of 6. Protection certainly going to need to be a bit better here on 2nd and 16. Here's Lawrence to throw.
Got him again!
Pressure, and they got to him again.
Farley gets the sack.
Blitz that time, and it delivers to the tune of a 9-yard loss. Back-to-back sacks have this place in a frenzy as they line up again 3rd and long now.
Oh, he catches it. He loses the ball. It's lost. I pick it up. Let's go. Fumble recovery by Tre'Davious White.
43-yard line, that's where they'll take over. This defense, Charles, very opportunistic here early. A second fumble recovery in this first quarter of play.
Yeah, you mentioned the right word, opportunistic and aggressive, because once they got the first fumble recovery, they were eager to get a second one, and sometimes they just come in bunches. On the flip side, they've got to figure out how to hold the ball because the play calls seem to be okay. They're just not executing.
Good yardage after the catch. Is that play good for 30
by 3 touchdowns.
T.J. Hawkinson from 13 yards out. And the Buccaneers are feeling good as they extend their lead in this Super Bowl.
What's the biggest choke in Super Bowl history?
Extra point from McManus is good. And that makes the score 21-0. The long touchdown pass gets him 6 on a very, very tidy 2-play drive that time. So how about this for a start? 21-0 here in the first as they kick this one away.
Tackle him!
Takes this near the 25. Just a little pass there. Called it the 26.
All right, we got to play good defense here.
Buffalo offense ready to go for their next drive. They trail early on in this Super Bowl as they come up 1st and 10. Lawrence is throwing
Good tackle.
hands here of Hardman. So the completion good for 7 there. And it's 2nd down. Looking to throw Lawrence. That's complete to the tight end Everett. 3 catches for him now in this first quarter of the Super Bowl. So from the 39 now, they'll come up on a 1st and 10.
When an offense reads blitz, doesn't matter where it's coming from, tight ends know that they become a big part of the passing game because they should be.
All right, we're going to go,
all those extra bodies are trying to get to the quarterback.
we're going to super sim. And we're going to sim till the 4th quarter. I don't want to blow them out, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to make it unfair. And right now, it's not very fair. It's 42-13. All right, but I'm not going easy now.
Trying to shake off the interception. He'll look to throw toward the center of the field, but it's incomplete.
And that's another
Hayson threw 2 interceptions.
It's been a blowout. It's been continually fueled by big turnovers and stops for one side and an inability to advance the ball from the other.
And this one is going to be off the mark, too far out in front. Now they face a 3rd and 10 after back-to-back incompletions. Now Lawrence.
Oh, good pass deflection!
Pretty symptomatic of how
They got to
this
go
game's
for
been
it.
going.
They ain't got no
If
choice.
they're going to have a shot in this Super Bowl, they're going to need this one on 4th down.
Oh! Number 12! I don't know who it is. What a play!
And the Bucs are going to take over with excellent field position to boot. Williams on 1st and 10.
Oh, he dropped it.
Took a shot, couldn't connect.
I think it's fairly safe to call this game over, but they're still trying to bomb it downfield and add to their lead. Almost makes you start to feel for the defense and root for them a little bit too.
Oh! Hawkinson goes up and gets it.
His 2nd touchdown of this
What a
Super Bowl.
move!
And the Bucs are starting to pour it on the game's biggest stage. They are running away with this Super Bowl. McManus's point after is good. And this one was over a while ago as they just add on to that big lead. Set now to kick this one away, and off it goes.
Boom!
And his guys will get the football right at the 20-yard
Man, I think it's
line.
safe to say to just simulate the game at this point. We're already up big. I don't think they've really got a chance to bring it back within even. and we're going to win. It only took 2 years of rebuilding, and if I'm being completely fair, I only made like 5 trades and a couple, like 2 free agent signings. So I drafted a pretty good team.
And when they get a chance to play in this type of atmosphere,
so
where all eyes are on them and all the lights
great
are
game.
brightly,
Great game by the team. Thank y'all for watching. I'm back with the Madden rebuilds. I apologize that I've been gone with this so long, but I'm going to start doing these again, 2K rebuilds again. It's just I got a variety of stuff that I try to upload daily. Let's see who got the MVP though. What's y'all's guesses? I'm going to say I feel like it's probably Caleb Williams. But it might be Tre'Davious White. It might very well be Tre'Davious White. We're about to find out who won MVP. Did we have any award winners? Well, here we go, guys. We're finding out now. It was Caleb Williams. And we did not have anybody win any awards. But that is the Super Bowl win for us. Let's go. Thank you for watching. Peace.